Good morning. I was asked to demonstrate the sash jammer, handle jammer product, just basically to see how it worked. So here it is. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward, standard looking handle, but it's got an extra piece, an extra tang on there. So when you push it in, that lifts away and allows the window fully to open. Same thing on when you close it. This adds an extra piece of protection. However, if you use it a different way, as I'll show you outside, it works for gearbox repairs, etc. So how it's set up at the minute is the spindle operation, which you don't need to use. It comes with an extra spindle that you can either use or not use, depending, because if the gearbox broken you wouldn't get that movement. However, you can use the gearbox centre to attach it and not use the spindle piece in there. Just bear with me. This is the spindle, the square piece here. A broken gearbox, you wouldn't put that in, you just fit the handle, which in turn then would secure using this armature. If you want extra protection like I have here, you put the spindle, allows the operation of the handle and the mechanism strip. Okay, thanks for watching, bye. Hopefully that has explained how the handle jammer works. It's pretty straightforward. Any questions, give me a shout. Quickly before I go, there is a left and a right-handed version. So depending on how your window works, if you want it to work with the gearbox, you will need to select the right handing. If it's without the gearbox, so it's just a replacement rather than repairing the mechanism or the strip, it doesn't matter. It's just a case of the space you have to move the handle to operate. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Any questions, give me a shout. Thank you, bye.